Fine. No, I'm fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, we got another bird. Do you want me to murder it?
Yeah.
Wait, can I let it go? Can I just, what if I drop the bird? Oh, he looks sad. Lupin! Lupin, no, put him in the ground!
Why?
I spent all morning watching the dodo videos of rescued dogs! Look, see, he left. He's happy.
Oh, I'm gonna catch another.
No, Lupin!
You need to kill them!
But I love him!
Floor made silly soup fuck! Stop it! Bitch!
Now I must go into the wild to set him free before Lupin finds him! I will die with my bird friend! Fly free! Be free, bird friend!